Okay. So, let's have these equilibrium equations. So, yung tinuro kanina, that is a general case, no? So, you have your summation forces x, summation forces y, and then summation moment. Okay? Pero minsan, may mga problems na pwede na yung dalawa, summation forces x and then summation forces y lang. Pwedeng dalawang moments, okay, pwedeng tatlong moments, as long as you have three equations. Okay? So, kung yung ilan yung moments, kayo nang bahala. Kumbaga, diskarte, no? So, dito sa handout, meron dyang mga guide, technique, kung medyo nalilito pa kayo. Pero as you go on with the process, pag marami na kayo nasa-solve, pwede na kayong makagawa. Kumbaga, magiging innate na yun sa inyo na, uy, eto, summation forces x, summation forces y, and moment ang gagamitin ko. Okay? Pero that is the general. X, Y, and then the moment. Okay? So, meron tayong iba't ibang system. So, ito na pag-aralan natin, concurrent. Kasi kapag concurrent yung dalawang force, tumatama siya sa isang point. So, yung moment doon equal to 0. So, technically, pwedeng masolve yun using summation X and then summation Y only. Okay? So, two moments equations and one force. Okay. So, kapag meron kang dalawang moment, okay, tapos isang force lang. So, ito naman yung pwede sa kanya. Okay? Then, one force and one moment. Okay, so you have this equation. Okay? Pero, mas madali yan. Okay? Hindi mo naman kailangan kabisaduhin tong techniques na to, no? So, you don't need to memorize that. Kailangan nyo lang makuha yung principle and then nasa sa inyo na. Kumbaga, there's several solutions to a certain problem. So, kung paano nyo masasolve, ito yung tinatawag nating engineering judgment na solutions. Okay? So, what we will do is to have to write and then the solving equilibrium equations. So, first, of course, inaalam natin yung free body diagram. Nilalagay natin lahat ng forces na nag-a-apply dun sa body. And then also, tinatanggal natin mga reactions, external reactions. We try to solve that external reactions and then just solve natin siya, no? Kapag yung isang system nag-hold sa kanya is in equilibrium at kapag solvable siya ng summation forces x, y, and then the moment, ang tawag natin sa kanya is statically determinate structure. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kaya natin siyang isolve gamit lang yung mga summation forces x, y, and then the moment. Kapag hindi na, let's say, kahit anong gawin natin, may mga problems na yun, hindi natin masosolve kasi kulang, okay? Kulang ng equation. Let's say, naging 4 yung unknowns mo, pero 3 lang yung given equations, and then, that is called statically indeterminate. Okay? So, dalawang klase, no? Isang statically determinate at saka statically indeterminate. Okay? So, itong statically indeterminate, masosolve nyo siya kapag nakapag-proceed na kayo sa mechanics of deformable bodies. So, meron kayong certain topic doon na kung saan isosolve nyo mga statically indeterminate. Okay? So, sa ngayon, dito lang, syempre ako magbibigay sa statically determinate. Okay? It means the number of unknowns on a system, it is just enough for the number of equations. Okay? Example. Okay? Gawin natin to. Yeah. Okay. The weight W is attached to one end of a rope that passes over a pulley that is free to rotate about point A. So, yung point A daw is spin. Okay? The weight is held at rest by the force T applied to the other end of the rope. Using given FBD, show that T is equal to W and compute the reactions at A. Okay. So, papakita daw natin, actually, given the diagrams, okay, we could show na yung ating T sa yung weight natin should become equal to T. Or, ang gagawin natin, okay, we will try to solve for the pin reactions. Okay? So, with this, sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede kayong gumamit ng iba't ibang techniques. So, you may have it summation forces, and then you may have it summation moments. Okay? Ito na yung free body diagram natin. Meron akong weight, binigay na niya, and then yung T palaging papalayo, no? Kasi tension siya palagi. So, you have there this one. At point A, you have there the pin. So, sabi ko, kapag pin ng connection, palaging dalawa yung unknowns. Isang horizontal, isang vertical. Okay? And we are on the XY plane, kaya AX ang binigay niya, and then the AY. Okay? Now, since this is a cylinder, or pulley siya, bilog, yung R ko na to is also equal to this R. Okay? In short, this force dito, which is the weight, it is tangent dun sa point na yun. Okay? If I will take the moment at point A, para maging equilibrium yan, it should become equal to 0. Okay? Now, ang gagawin natin, since this is a coplanar, sanayin na natin kasi alam ko doon kayo sanay sa physics. Okay? Pag ganyan lagi ang positive, no? Kapag coplanar. Okay? Pero actually, dapat yung baliktad din. Pero sige, okay yan. As long as consistent kayo. Okay? Yung T natin, okay? Nakaslant lang to. Pero again, nandito pa rin yung point of tangency niya. So, you have T. And then the moment arm is the R. Okay? And then ito, it will rotate counterclockwise yung weight. And its moment arm is also equal to R. No other forces kasi nag-moment ako at point A, tumama doon yung aking force na AX at AY. So technically wala siyang moment doon. So equal to 0. So I could have TR is equals to W multiplied by R. Cancel si R. So I could say that my T is also equal to R. Okay? No. Approve na natin siya. Second, since T is equals to W, kukumputin natin yung reactions. Okay? This time, pwede ako mag-summation forces horizontal, pwede ako mag-summation forces vertical. Okay? Lagay ko na lang in terms of W. Kasi ito, W din naman siya. Tama ba ako? Kasi nga, T equals to W. Okay? Pero, this W, pwede ko siya ngayong i-decompose sa dalawa. Okay? So, this one would be W sine of 30, and then this one is W cosine of 30. Okay? Ayan, para lang ako merong triangle na ganun, no? So, kinuha ko to. Ito yung hypotenuse na W. This is the sine. And then this one is the cosine. Okay? Pwede na ako ngayon mag-summation forces horizontal equal to 0, and I will make positive lahat ng papunta sa kanan. Meron akong W sine of 30, and then meron ako dito na AX, so I will have it plus AX. Okay? Meron pa bang iba? Wala na. So you will be having here equal to 0. We could say that AX is equals to W sine of 30, but this time it is negative. What does it mean? Kapag nag-negative yung answer, it means ang unit niya, or sorry, ang magnitude niya is this one, pero instead na pakanan yung AX ko, baliktad siya. Ibig sabihin, mali yung assumption. Kasi ito, tinanggal lang natin, sinabi natin na ganyan yung assumption. Pero it turned out na nag-negative siya, it means paganto ang kanyang direction. Okay? Para maging equilibrium. Okay? Pwede rin akong mag-summation forces vertical equal to 0. meron akong pataas, I will have here AY. Okay? Then pababa, minus W. And then this one, minus W cosine of 30 equal to 0. So, yung AY ko is equals to W 1 plus cosine of 30. Okay? Or that is equal to 1 plus cosine of 30, 1.87 of W. This time, positive yung nakuha kong sagot. Okay? So, it means tama yung ating direction na pataas talaga yung aking AY. Okay? So, these are the reactions X and Y on the peanut A. Okay? Pero, of course, kung kukunin natin yung pinaka-RA, meron ako ditong vertical na 1.87 of W. And then, meron ako ditong W sine of 30. Ano ba yung W sine of 30? Okay, so 0.5 of W. Okay? Pwede mong kunin yung resultant niyan. And that is your RA. So, your RA is equals to the square root of RAX squared plus RAY squared. Or that is equal to 0.5 of W squared plus 1.87 of W squared. So, the reaction should become equal to 0.5 squared plus 1.87 squared. So, that is 1.94 of W. Okay. So, this is now the answer for this problem. Napatunayan natin. And then, we get the reaction at the pin. So, tatanggapin ko minsan, okay, in your exam, okay, dapat pag sinabi kong reaction at A, naka-resultant. Okay? Pero pag sinabi ko horizontal reaction at A, ito ibig sabihin ano. So, this is called the horizontal reaction. And this is called the vertical reaction. Okay? So, that's it. So, you may try to copy for this problem.